Hey, what's up, friends? So I am going to be vlogging on this trip. I'm going to be seeing my friend Hannah. She recently moved out to Arizona for an internship, but I wanted to go visit and take a fun trip. Right now in my life, I feel like I have a little bit more freedom than I've had. Man, I mean, it's been a long time. I've been working the grind, and in radio, it's really hard to take time off, especially if you were at the level that I was at. And so since I just kind of put all that behind me, I'm like, okay, this is the season. And this fall and summer, I'm going to be focused a lot on an internship. And so I won't have as much freedom as I do right now. Right now I work from home. I'm remote 100% of the time, which is so great. So I decided I'm going to hop on a plane and visit my friend Hannah. And she is a great budding photographer. And so we actually really honed in on our skills last summer. Every single week, we met up once a week. And so it was such a fun thing to do and to keep our friendship like consistent. And so I'm going to go out there and I'm going to see what she's been up to for the last 2 months. And I'm going to take you with me. But right now I want to show you how I'm packing for this. Don't mind my chaos. I don't really know what this bag is here for. So here's my camera bag. I love Brevity. I think it's Brevity bag. And so I love this so much. This is my first time going to be taking it on to the airport. It has a great place for my laptop. You know, it's smaller than my other camera bag, but I think it's gonna be great for hiking because we're gonna do a lot of hiking. So this is my 70D Canon. It's amazing. I really, really love it. And then this is where I've been putting my remote. This one is a lot further, so I can take photos from far away. This is I think it's my 30. And then here is my vlogging mic. Sometimes I take vlogging and I do it on my camera, but again, it's so big and bulky. Sometimes I only want to take it out for photos. I'm taking a film camera. This is the battery. This is going to be something that I'm going to mess around with when I'm vlogging. Cause you can see it kind of changes the vibe. I can do this right here. See how it kind of just changed the whole vibe? It's a little bit more blurry. Anyways, not gonna do that right now. Yep. And then this is how you get your SD card into your phone. And then this bad boy is my new addition to my camera. It is a drone. I'm so pumped about this. You guys have no idea how badly it's just so hard. Like, I sold a vlogging camera so that I could learn how to pitch to brands. But I decided my phone is so great, so I'm gonna do a lot of vlogging from my phone and from my DSLR. And that means that I had space in my budget to get a DJI Mini SE, and I'm so pumped about this. Oh, guys, I've been wanting a drone so bad for so long, and I kind of rewarded myself. What? It's so cute. Like, look at how tiny it is. I'm gonna have to figure this out, and I'm a little nervous because I know nothing. I know nothing. Absolutely nothing. So here's the Mini, and here's the remote. This looks very complicated, and I hope I have all of the necessary parts needed. I don't know. Because it's an SE and it was affordable, so it's about $300 versus the typical $1,000, or like the mini is about $500. And like, that's really not that bad for a camera, right? But the way that they cut down on cost was that they didn't give you a case for it. We'll see what happens. I mean, we're gonna try it in Arizona for the first time. So yeah, hopefully in this vlog you'll see it. Okay, friends, that's everything. All in here. Stop out here. Where are we, Hannah?
We're on Mount Lemon.
Oh, Mount Lemon. What a peach. Okay, dig in, Hannah. Right now. Say hi. Hi. Taking pictures, getting coffee,
Exploring Tucson.
Yes, that is the goal today. And then we might go on a really hard hike,
Well, that's
because
good.
it's going to be very hard. And yesterday was practice
For today.
which is funny because yesterday almost killed me. So we'll see how it goes.
In the vista.
So where we're going, all of these shops are made inside shipping containers.
Cool. Okay, so we're going on our second day of hiking. And this one's less in the mountains and more in the cacti. This is so fun. So where are we at, Hannah?
We're at Linda Vista Trail.
And this is kind of like a loop. So we're climbing, and she told me we're only 40% done. And I'm over here.
Easier.
Okay, good, because your girl is not in shape. But this has been fun. Like, look at how beautiful it is. And then this is what city?
This is Oro Valley.
Okay. Thanks, Hannah, our tour guide.
No problem.
All right, it's officially golden hour, and look at that sun, and look at the mountains, and the color. This is so gorgeous. I can't even imagine. Like, what is this? This is so pretty. You live here, Hannah.
I know, right?
Where are we, Hannah?
We're at the old courthouse.
It's really beautiful. Look up here. So they have a really cute coffee shop inside the courthouse. So Hannah found a vintage
Well, actually,
tea.
Hannah found it.
This Hannah did. But it's so her. It's a vintage Chicago Cubs tee for $5. And yeah, this was a treasure. All right, we are driving to the airport.
Oh, sad.
I know, I'm going back to the cold, but this was a great trip, and I hope you learned a few things about Arizona. I definitely did. I don't remember if we caught all of those nuggets on camera, but I hope we did. Yep, and maybe I'll write it in the description. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.